Hey guys, Ms. Richardson again. Today is Tuesday, March 31st. Will March ever end? I don't know. 2020. Yesterday we talked about the days of the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. A list from yesterday. Okay. Today we're going to go back and review the months of the year. There are 12 months in the year. Right. Can I fit them all? It's okay. So, there are 12 months in the year. We start with January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Now, for my Spanish speaking students, yes, a lot of the months are very similar in Spanish, so it's a little bit easier for you. But yes, here are the months of the year. There are 12, like I said. We always capitalize. That means it's a big letter, okay? We always capitalize our months of the year. Just like we always capitalize our days of the week. Okay. We write our days and months a lot because usually we have to date our work. And your teacher wants to know what day you completed the assignment. It could have been on Monday. It could be in April. It could be on the 2nd. Either way, it's important to know the date. Tomorrow we'll work on writing the date correctly, or the way that we do it here in the United States. But today, I really just want you to be able to write a month, and to do that, you're going to tell me your birthday. So your assignment today is to write your birthday in a sentence. I know it's hard to see right here, but this says in English, okay? An example is my birthday is August 5th. When we write our birthday, like in a sentence like this, you always start with the month. And then you put the day. So August 5th. Okay? I put a little hint at the bottom how to say birthday in Spanish, Vietnamese, and Turkish. But what I want you to do is either comment below. I think I got the comments turned on. If I didn't, you can email me. You know how to get to my email address. It's on the blog. Also, if you did not get to my video by using the blog, you can go to my blog and make a comment underneath there, and I'll be able to see it. I'll be able to see it and approve it. Okay? So remember, you need to tell me when your birthday is in a complete sentence. My birthday is whenever your birthday is. Okay. Bye.